Hello guys, today I will show you how to create 4K transitions on any video in Premiere Pro really easily with given project, which you can download for free. The link is in the description. So let's get started. So when you open the project, you will see this. So first of all, you have to import your footage, and then you have to choose your transition. So there is 10 transitions. So quickly I will show you how it looks like and how to use it. So really simple, just open this and double click on this icon, and here is it, and just simply drag your footage here. So it looks really good. We can try another one. For example, I will try this one, RGB. I will pick this one, and I will do the same. So as you can see, the view is really good of this transition, and also you can use this transitions on any picture you like and on any video, and also you can put your 4K footage. So yeah. And another thing is, if you don't like the format or something, you can create your own. So for example, I will create something like this on phone format. Don't forget to choose frames 30 frames per second. And here we drag our footage, and also the footage has to be phone format. Everything works. It's really simple. Also, just choose your transition. I will choose super fast. From here I will choose maybe swipes. So also double press here and choose those transitions and copy them and paste here. You can make it longer or shorter, it's up to you. So it looks like this. As you can see, everything works perfectly, and you can use in any video, any project, whatever you want. Just use your imagination. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, share with friends, and see you soon.